You're the one that got close.
Hey, bird poop. Let's examine it.
Let's not.
Gross.
Yum. Samson.
So delicious.
Samson.
Right now is our biggest adventure ever. To cross the stream coldness of water. And it may not look cold, but trust me,
It's freezing.
let me touch. Let me test. Oh my god, that's free. That is so cold. I've never felt anything colder than that in my life.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go down there. We'll try to cross the rocks. It's so cold right
We could
now.
probably jump, but we might not make it.
Yeah, because then we'll like land in the water.
Oh, my favorite thing is, you see those cliffs? Those little cliff things? It's to knock them down.
Yeah, do it. I want to see.
fun.
Stand on the edge and let them fall. That's the best part. Okay, here, look, Kaylin. Kaylin. Okay. There's some water in between us now. Okay.
We're stuck.
No, we're not. We cannot give up. Just stand on the rocks. There's an island in the middle, and now we're both on it. Oh
gosh, I'm
gosh,
just gonna walk
now we're
across.
stuck.